Subclass 191. Is this a new visa? Is this an old visa? Or what? Ano ba to? No, kasi biglang lumabas to kagabi sa immigration website. Now, Subclass 191 is actually a new visa that was introduced 3 years ago as the permanent stage for 491 and 494 visa. Okay? So, this Subclass 191 permanent residence visa is only good for 491 holders and 494 holders. Hindi pwede sa iba. Okay? Kasi yung 491 and 494, those were the provisional visas leading to Subclass 191. And this is the time when they have already met the 3 years requirement of being holder of the 491, 494 visa. So, umpisa pa lang ngayon ang 191. So, ito pa lang yung panahon na pwede na silang mag-lodge. Pero, maganda yung mga developments sa Subclass 191. Remember before, I had a fear na paano na ngayon mangyayari sa TSMIT? No? Kasi yung TSMIT, it was set for 53,900. And then, nag-announce si Minister a few weeks ago, sabi niya, gagawin yung TSMIT na 70,000. So, paano na ngayon yung mga nasa 491, baka hindi sila makarating sa 191? Because, ang ina-aim lang nila noon is to get to 53,900 because that was legislated. Tapos, ito ngayon, ginawang 70,000, no? Maiiwan sila. Ano na mangyayari sa kanila? Now, here's the good news. It came out last night. Okay? The good news here is this permanent residence skilled regional visa 191 doesn't require any income. So, nawala rin yung 53,900. So, any income that you have for the last 3 years, that's okay for immigration. As long as, okay, hindi pwedeng, wala, okay na lang. As long as, ang sinasabi ng immigration dito, as long as you're going to submit your 3 years ATO notice of assessment. So, it doesn't matter anymore kung mababa sa 53,900 yung kinita mo. In each year, for the 3 years, that's okay. No? Ganun yung sinasabi nila, okay na yan, basta meron kang ATO notice of assessment. Okay, so that's the good news for the 491, 494 holders. So, pwede kayong tumuloy sa 191 for your permanent visa. Okay, so what is this Subclass 191? So, as you can see there, ang Subclass 191 is a permanent visa. Okay? So, permanent na. Yung mga, tapos na yung provisional nyo, permanent na kayo. So, tapos na yung pagdurusa at kaiintay ng permanent. So, as soon as the visa is granted, then you are a permanent visa. How much will it cost? So, mababa lang yan. No? Hindi yan kagaya sa binayaran nyo sa 491, which is around 4,000 Australian dollars. Now, this one, it will cost you $435. Now, with the $435, kasama, pwede yung isama yung inyong mga pamilya. No? So, sa inyong mga pamilya, say for example, yung inyong dependent, kasama niyo yung asawa niyo, that will cost 220 Australian dollars. And kung meron naman kayong anak na over 18 years old, that will be 220 Australian dollars. At kung meron mga chikiting, $110 lang yan. Okay, so those are the money that will go to the immigration. So, ano ang pwedeng gawin kapag holder ka ng 191? So, easy. So, first, you can stay in Australia permanently. And then second, you can work and study in Australia. So, pwede na, no? And then, yung mga anak nyo rin. And then, you can enroll in Australia's public health system, yung Medicare. Pwede na kayong magpa-enroll. Pero actually, yung may concession naman yan eh. Kahit na yung 491, they can get the interim Medicare card. So, okay pa rin yun. Although they are also required to have their insurance. No? Pero this time, kung ikaw ay PR na, then you can permanently enroll yourself to the public healthcare scheme, which we call here in Australia as Medicare. And then, pwede nyo na rin i-sponsor yung mga relatives nyo na nag-antay sa inyo. So, you can sponsor yung asawa, kung meron kayong asawa. And kung meron naman kayong anak na iniwan nyo, pwede nyo na rin i-sponsor. Pero, kung gano'n na merong asawa, merong anak, Pero asawa at anak mo na sila before pa mag-apply ka ng 191, kasama mo na sila para makatipid ka. Huwag mo nang iwan. Papuntahin mo na muna dito on a tourist visa and then isama mo doon sa iyong applications para makatipid-tipid ka, no? Huwag na yung ikaw lang mag-isa muna mag-a-apply sa 191 tapos sabi mo, gusto ko na pumunta yung asawa ko. Naku, masyadong mahal yun, no? Kasi that will become a partner visa, which will make you pay around 14,000-15,000, right? And then, kasama pa yung bata, then mas malaki pa, no? So, kaya importante na kahit na sa paningin nyo, Subclass 191, napakadaling visa, kumonsulta pa rin. Kasi baka merong impact and complication, baka makatipid pa kayo ng kahit na kaunti, kung makakuha muna kayo ng maayos na advice and makita nyo yung mga pros and cons, especially kung kayo ay may pamilya, whether iniwan nyo o kasama nyo dito sa Australia. Okay, and also that will give you a 5 years stay, permanent stay in Australia. And kung lalabas kayo ng Australia, pwede kayong makabalik because it has multiple entry to Australia. And also, if you're eligible, then you can apply for citizenship. So, kung humawa kayo ng 491, nandito kayo 3 years in Australia, kung nanggaling pa kayo sa student visa, di kasama pa rin yun. So, kung halimbawa 3 years kayo sa 491, being a provisional, you only need 1 year residency in Australia as a permanent resident. Pagka-grant ng 191 yung bilang kayo 365 days, you are eligible for citizenship na. So, and then you can get your Australian passport. Okay, so what about processing time? Now, in terms of processing time, so pareho ng ibang visa. It varies from different factors. So, iba-iba. Kung kumpleto, maaaring madali. Kung kulang-kulang, maaaring matagal. Kung mayroong problema sa health or medical or character, medyo mas matagal pa yan. O kaya naman, kung nagkaroon ka ng adverse information while you're holding a 491, then lalong magtatagal yan. O kung meron kang na-breach na condition, mas lalong matagal yan at baka hindi ka pa mabigyan ng visa. So, depende. No? It's a case-to-case basis. But for skilled migration, usually nasa 6-8 months processing bago niya makuha yung visa niya. No? Okay.